YouTube, it is your favorite girl Nia Imani here, back with another video. And if you read the title above, we are going to be doing a cute, fluffy, defined, long-lasting flexi rod set on stretched hair. I did a poll over on my Instagram, so if you are not following me there, definitely be sure to do so. I did a poll and I just was like, you know, what type of style do you guys want me to do on my channel? And y'all said flexi rod set. It was flexi rod, bantu knot, braid out, or perm rod, and flexi rod one. I really wanted to do bantu knots, but I'll do that next week. But yeah, here is the perm rod set. So yeah, if you are new here, definitely be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell button so you never miss when I upload. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That really helps more people like you see my content and hair care videos and things of that nature. So if you like this video, don't forget to thumb it up. But without further ado, let's just jump right into today's video. Is this thing on? What's up, YouTube? How are y'all doing? Today is Monday. I don't know what's the day. I think it's the 21st. And I just deep conditioned, and if you read the title above, we're about to do a bantu knot set, but I am going to blow dry my hair. But right now I'm doing a protein treatment. But I want to come and give y'all a little, like, I don't know, put y'all on something real quick. So y'all know I usually use the Hue Reduce steamer to like steam and deep condition my hair, but today I was masking because my face has been breaking out. So I was using a little bit of aloe vera juice and Castile powder from Beauty of the Horn. Y'all may or may not be able to see this. So this is a fellow black owned business. The Castile powder just tightens the pores and helps with dark marks and blemishes, but that's not what it's about. But I was steaming my face with this little steamer I got from Amazon. And I just started steaming my hair while I was doing my deep conditioning treatment, and it was definitely a bop. So yeah, I deep conditioned with a little bit of my Imani Beauty High Maintenance Elixir and this Camille Rose Naturals deep conditioners, Nangai and Subaki Strengthen Restore Protein Treatment. My hair feels really good. The first time I used this, I did not like it. My hair felt really bad, but today it felt really good. So I like it, and I probably will be reaching for it a little bit more often. So basically, I'm about to go and rinse my hair out. We're gonna not deep condition. We're gonna rinse my hair out, blow dry, and then we are going to begin the bantu knot process. So yeah. Okay, so I ended up doing a poll. I told you I was doing bantu knots, but I ended up doing a poll on Instagram, and flexi rods won. So we doing flexi rods. But pro tip, whenever you want to blow dry your hair for any type of style, don't just blow dry your hair on wet. Like, don't blow dry your hair while it's wet. Put on a towel, put on a t-shirt, and let all of that water like get sopped up, because when you blow dry wet hair, it's literally like taking that process. It's gonna make that process extremely long when you could just let your hair basically like air dry. And this, when I tell y'all, this is gonna like become blow dried so fast. I hope I'm making sense. But yeah, don't blow dry wet hair. Like, just wait a little bit, and that's gonna honestly keep you from getting heat damage and just messing up your hair. Just let it air dry for a little bit, you know, not too long. My hair is still definitely damp, but it's not sopping wet. So I'm going in with some heat protecting, and then we are just about to blow dry this bad boy. But I have videos all over my channel of me blow dry my hair. Y'all know how this goes. Alright y'all, so I'm just going in with a little bit of heat protectant. It is water based, so it's not going to leave my hair feeling heavy or weighed down or greasy or anything like that. And y'all know me, I'm always going to section my hair. That is going to make sure I get the smoothest results. So I section my hair and I begin blow dry my hair in very small sections. And right now I'm actually using the tension method, and that's essentially where you hold your hair taut, you pull on the ends a little bit, and then you allow the blow dryer to flow through it, so it kind of stretches out the hair. And then I follow up with a dimming brush to actually smooth and blow dry my hair thoroughly. Air drying my hair and then doing the tension method and using low heat is really going to help me not see any heat damage. So that is why I take those extra steps when it comes to blow dry my hair, just because I have experienced heat damage a long time ago. And when I really learned techniques to ensure that my hair can continue to stay healthy even with the use of heat, my hair has seen a tremendous difference. I have not had heat damage in years, actually. So yeah, when you just want to make sure that you are allowing your hair to air dry or soak up in a towel or a t-shirt before actually blow drying your hair while it's super wet, and then I like to use the tension method and then just blow dry with a Denman brush. So this is my hair after I've completely blow dried my hair. It took about 30 to 45 minutes, and y'all, I have very thick hair, but like I said, it's just all about technique and how you just go about doing your hair. And as some of you all know, I actually did a big chop back in January of 2020, and then I chopped my hair off again in August of 2020, and this is where my hair is today. So let me know in the comments if you all want like a hair growth tip, length retention video update on basically how I've been growing out my hair since then. But right now, basically, I'm just going to section off my hair. Parting is not extremely important when it comes to this style. I just like to do the back, do the front, but the parts don't have to be super perfect. I just like to have essentially like equal parts of hair in the front and the back. Alright, so we're going to be using about a little bit of hair cream butter. This is not going to be a super water-based hair cream that I'm using. And then I use about 1 pump of mousse. It is important for me that you don't revert your hair a lot, but you just use enough product to dampen the hair a little bit so that it really sets. So I'm taking these medium to small sized flexi rods, and I'm starting at the bottom, and I'm basically going to smooth the hair out towards on the ends, and then we're going to twist upwards. I can't really even explain the technique. I think honestly it's just like, you know, a thing where you kind of watch and see how it's done. But I will say it is super important that when you blow dry your hair, you don't want to use products that are going to weigh your hair down or get your hair super wet, because that would kind of just defeat the purpose of you blowing your hair out. But I do use enough cream and mousse to ensure that my hair is a little bit dampened before I put in the rods in. I am using Melanin hair care twist elongating cream and then a little bit of the Lotta body mousse to set and wrap my hair. Y'all, it is 3 o'clock in the morning. 2:55. I'm watching Manifest, so shout out to that. You know, I had a calling to do my hair. But yeah, I'm basically going to go to sleep. When I wake up, sit under the dryer 10, 20, 30 minutes. But since my hair is blow dried, it probably won't need that much of the dryer. Like the mousse and the foam and mousse is gonna really set the hair. I didn't get the hair too wet, like it didn't revert that much. But I definitely want to make sure that the curls are gonna stay. So we'll sit under the dryer for 30, 40 minutes, and then we'll do the takedown in the morning. Peace. All right, so my hair is pretty dry. I took out 2 of the rods just to check if it was dry, and it is. So we're just about to gently unravel all of these rods out of my head. All right, as I take the rods down, I like to ensure that I'm going with the curl as I take them out, but also I like to make sure once my hair is out of the rod, I also kind of just finger coil my hand around the coil so that it can keep its curly nature as well. All right, all the rods are taken out, and as you can see, my hair is it's in big coils, but now it's time to separate them. So I just want to show y'all how shiny and bouncy everything looks before we begin to separate the coils. So now I'm going in with my Imani Beauty High Maintenance Elixir. It's a multi-purpose hair and scalp oil, and this is from my brand. And the oils that I use in this formula are not heavy or greasy, so it's really not going to weigh the hair down, but it will give your hair some nice shine. So I'm just going to be using that to go in on each coil and separate my hair. I like to use oil on my fingertips when I take my hair down just because it helps to reduce frizz. And as you all saw in the clip before, I did take some of that oil and massage it on my scalp because it is a hair growth oil, and it has been helping me grow my hair, reduce hair shed, as well as keep my scalp in a very healthy state. So basically I'm just going in on each individual curl, and I'm just going to take it apart, and you want to ensure that you are finger coiling each individual section and just keeping it in that shape. All right, we're all done, and y'all get into the definition. Y'all see the curls, y'all see them, they look really nice, and I'm very pleased with the results of this style. I really like it. Typically in the past when I've done flexi rods, they have had more of a wand curl type of vibe, but I like how, you know, Shirley Temple, Annie, you know, it's just a really cute different look, and I really like it. So right now I'm just going in and I'm picking at the root. Please do not pick through your curls. You want to just pick through the root to increase volume and just to really, you know, stretch the look out just a little bit, but you don't want to pick all the way throughout the hair. But I'm just gonna let the days that I wear this style naturally allow volume to happen. All right, thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope that you all enjoyed this cute little like flexi rod set. I did not expect for it to come out this cute, but this shit is just so cute, and I'm very excited to be wearing it this week. So I hope that you all give it a try, and if you do, be sure to tag me on Instagram or Twitter, or send me a picture of yourself. Let me see how you look in your flexi rod sets, and I will catch you all in the next one.